you're encountering the CS2 Cloud Save Error 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and restore your game progress. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saving. Step 2. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud service and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher and navigate to the game library. Use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure the CS2 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including cloud save issues. Step 5. Check cloud save settings. Go to the game settings and ensure that cloud saving is enabled. If it is disabled, enable it and restart the game to see if the error persists. Following these steps should help you resolve the Cloud Save Error 2026 quickly. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.